Hello, my name is Brennan, and I am the McGraw-Hill Associate for Moreno Valley College. The Spanish faculty and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester for College Spanish 1 and 2. Today, I will be briefing you on Connect and LearnSmart. We will be going to access your workbook and lab manual assignments for this semester. We'll talk about registration as well as some best practices for running the program. We'll discuss the resources that are available to you, in particular LearnSmart, your purchasing options, and technical support. For the smoothest experience running Connect, I recommend one of these three web browsers. If you have a Mac at home, Safari works fine. Otherwise, Firefox or Chrome come recommended. Please note that we ask that you refrain from running Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates a bit too rapidly for McGraw-Hill, and so it can create for a bit of an unuser-friendly experience. We also ask that you intermittently clear the cookies and the browsing history on your Internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect has a tendency of getting weighed down if there's too much space being taken up through your web history. I will show you how to register here in just a moment. It is a good best practice when you register for the very first time. If you scroll to the bottom of the Connect home screen, there's a link there that says Troubleshooting. If you click that link, it is going to run a diagnostic on whatever device you're using to access Connect at that time. This diagnostic is going to identify any programs that either need to be installed or updated on your computer in order to run Connect most efficiently. So these are three quick and easy steps you can take prior to accessing any of the workbook or lab manual assignments to ensure a smooth experience. Your required materials for this course are Tumundo. Please note that your instructors have set aside a custom version of this book that contains both the print text, just the text, the chapters you'll need for this course, as well as the workbook lab manual Connect access code that you'll need for this course as well. And that's available, and that's the image here on the right. Please note that the image on the left and the image on the right are in fact the very same book. The image on the left is what we call the national version of this text. It's available just about anywhere from Amazon or anywhere else on the web. And the image on the right is only available in the Moreno Valley College bookstore. It is designed to be your one-stop shop, and we'll get into your other options for acquiring a Connect code here in just a moment. Registration in Connect is pretty simple. Just log into your BlackBoard account and locate Spanish 1 or Spanish 2 with your instructor. Locate the folder that will contain your Connect assignments and click on that. You'll see a list of icons very similar to these you see here. Click on any one of those icons. They'll bring you to the same welcome screen for Connect. Go ahead and click Continue, and you'll then be asked to enter an email address. Please use your Moreno Valley student email when registering in Connect and click Submit, and everyone will be brought to this screen. I mentioned the bookstore earlier. If you acquired your materials in the campus bookstore, you already have your Connect access code as well as the print text. Take the access code that's bundled with the book, enter it here on the left, and redeem by clicking Submit. Maybe you're on financial aid, maybe your work schedule is still up in the air and you're not sure if you're going to stay with the course. In the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to Connect, to the e-text, and to all your workbook and lab manual assignments. At the end of those 2 weeks, you need to make a decision and either purchase a code or work out some other situation with your instructor. And that's all activated through the courtesy access link here on the bottom, which leads to my third option, which is purchasing direct from McGraw-Hill. By clicking Buy Online, for $130, you can purchase access to the e-text as well as the workbook and lab manual assignments. Just click Buy Online and enter your credit card. Everyone will create an account in Connect. Pretty straightforward. First name, last name, security question, password, and you're done. LearnSmart is a study tool. It was inspired by the same technology that you would find either on Amazon or Netflix, where the user, or the student in this case, have a profile with the technology. The way LearnSmart works is it will be asking you questions based on the grammar and the vocab for the chapter that you're reading for that week. You'll note the question. You'll have an answer set. This one's fill in the blank. Some might be multiple choice. Some might be true or false. However, LearnSmart is going to ask you to assign a cognitive value to your answer. All LearnSmart wants to know is how confident you are in your response. This is not a quiz. This is not a test. This is not anything you are being judged on if you have no idea what the answer is. All LearnSmart is trying to do is identify the gaps in your understanding of the grammar and the vocab. Much like in a digital flashcard, LearnSmart is going to be recirculating these questions personalized to you so that when you see this information again, it is more likely to move from your short-term memory and into your long-term memory where you can recall that information during quizzes and exams. We're getting a lot of great feedback in foreign language on this program, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you for your time. My final slide is on tech support. In the event you experience an issue with Connect or LearnSmart, it's very important your instructor is not technical support for any of the programs. I've given you a couple of troubleshooting measures between the web browser, the clearing of your web history, and the diagnostic. If you're still experiencing an issue, give the customer care team a call. Please note their number, 800-331-5094, and their service hours here. Every time you contact customer support, the agent is going to issue you a case number. It's very important you write that case number down because in the event they're unable to solve your problem on the spot, you want to bring that case number to your instructor's attention, who will contact my team so we can come up with a solution for you. Best of luck in Spanish and take care.